Shores Realty. Today is October 30th. It's Tuesday, the day after Hurricane Sandy. It's about 9 o'clock here. We just got into town and just trying to assess some of the damage. I'm standing on 76th Street, and you can see we don't have a whole lot of beach here behind us. They still won't let you down south of 62nd Street, so we can't see what's going on down there. But all in all, up here we look over missing amount of work to do. So we'll continue to assess the damage. We'll give you an update, but here's a quick peek here this morning. We'll talk to you a little bit later.